Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to find your Minecraft Bedrock Windows folder. To get started, open your Minecraft app. Here, click play. After that, click on the pencil icon in the desired world to access its settings. In this window, click on Export World located at the bottom. You can define the desired path and name. Click on Export and wait for the process to complete. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Close Minecraft. Then in the search box enter %local app data %. Click on File folder. After that, in Explorer, open the Packages folder and then open the Minecraft folder. Now go to the Local State folder and open the Games folder. Here in the Mojang folder, go to the Minecraft Worlds folder. As a result, you can see the worlds with all their configuration files. You are going to copy the folder of the desired world, and you can paste it wherever you want. This allows you to have a backup copy of the world. Assign the name you need to remember that it is your Minecraft world. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.